Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ocean County, East Central Burlington County, Southeastern Monmouth County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Highlands to Pleasant Plains to Chatsworth, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Powell, Barnegat, Teton Falls, Red Bank, Beechwood, Manasquan, Highlands, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Farmingdale, Surf City, Maniloking, Allenwood, Elbaron, and Ervesink. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile marker 61 and 111. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 28 and 34. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Monmouth County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stamford to Navesink, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Northport and Centerport around 3:05 p.m. Port Jefferson around 3:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of Baxter Estates to Sandy Hook, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.